Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be shopping at Trader Joe's. I have not done a shop with me at Trader Joe's in a while, probably since last year, but it's pumpkin time. So that's just like my favorite time to do these videos. I haven't been since pumpkin stuff has been out yet, so I'm super excited. It is Sunday, so it might be busy, but there's also a Patriots game that just started at 1. It's like 1:15. So I'm hoping it's not too busy. I just really need to go today. Like I need some staple things, and I thought I'd bring you along. So let's go. Of course, these are all gone. Now I will take you through everything I got. So I always get berries there, mostly blueberries, but a lot of times I get raspberries. I always get Greek yogurts to eat before the gym, or I'll make a Greek yogurt bowl with this and some berries and almond butter and granola. I decided to get lemons to try to do lemon water in the morning. I got chicken breast for tomorrow's dinner. I got some frozen meals. This one is really good. I've never tried this. The chicken tikka masala is delicious. This is good, but not that filling. And then the risotto is really good. Then frozen fruit. Of course, we have Pumpkin Land. Oh my God, Downey cider donut. That's local to the Massachusetts area. And then Pumpkin Land. So I've never tried these. I think I've tried these. I think they're good. I've never tried these pumpkin blondies before. Pumpkin ravioli and butternut squash ravioli are so good. I do like this kind. I'm not like obsessed, but I definitely had to get it while they have it. This they gave to me for free because they forgot to ring it up. That sounds delicious. I love this sauce so much. I'm definitely gonna hopefully get more. This waffle mix, pumpkin waffle mix is so good. I make waffles with it. I decided to grab these. I think they have them all year round, but I was like, why not? This is so cute. We got some cheese. I've heard that this body butter is amazing, so I actually got 2 of them because their body butter is like my favorite. Some flowers for work, kombucha to drink now. This fall harvest salsa is also incredible, and then some almond milk. So that is my Trader Joe's haul for today. I really hope you enjoyed shopping with me today. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye!